as the Ratchet Turns.
I'm Sean, and you're watching As the Ratchet Turns.
Another Ratchet Turns.
Another Ratchet Turns.
You gotta start over now.
Nah, it's all good. Editing is wonderful. Because I'm Sean, and you're watching As the Ratchet Turns. Another busy week here at Jim Van Dyke's Automotive and Tire Center. Let's see what's going on around the shop. Today we're going on an excursion, replacing the fuel pump. Ryan's working on the Dodge, replacing pretty much everything. Ron checking out the Chrysler and the brake issue. Hot Rod Raymond working on the old Nova. How's it going, Ray? Friday, and I finally got that raise I was looking for. That's going to wrap up another episode of As the Ratchet Turns here at Jim Van Dyke's Automotive and Tire Center. Don't forget to give us a call or stop out and see us. 740-335-2000. We're here for all your automotive repairs and service needs.